Today we're diving into one of the most perplexing mysteries in American history, the disappearance of Roanoke Colony. Picture this: a group of early settlers vanishes without a trace, leaving behind nothing but cryptic clues and a whole lot of questions. Ready to unveil the enigma? Then hold on to your seats, because this one is a wild ride. And you won't believe the amazing conclusion at the end of this video. The story begins in 1587, where English explorer John White led a group of 115 settlers to establish a colony on Roanoke Island, located off the coast of what is now North Carolina. The colony was part of Queen Elizabeth I's grand plan to claim new land for England. But as White returned to England for supplies, the colony faced a series of unprecedented challenges. After a lengthy delay, White finally returned to Roanoke in 1590. Only to find the colony completely deserted. No signs of struggle, no signs of life, just an eerie, abandoned settlement. The only clue left behind was one word: Croatoan, carved into a post. What happened to those settlers? Why did they disappear so abruptly? Buckle up, because this mystery is far from ordinary. If you were at all intrigued by the disappearance of the Roanoke colony, we want you to stay updated on our latest investigations. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on those notifications. Your support helps us dive deeper into the unknown. Let's rewind and set the stage. Roanoke Island, part of the Outer Banks, was an ideal location for early settlers due to its natural resources and strategic positioning. But from the beginning, things went sideways. The colonists faced hostile interactions with native local American tribes, food shortages, and a lack of supplies. These challenges were exacerbated by England's own internal problems, which delayed White's return. By the time White got back, 3 years had passed, and the settlement had vanished. The word Croatoan was the only hint. Some believe it was the name of another local tribe, while others think it was a distress signal or a plea for help. But was the clue enough to uncover the truth? Let's delve into some of the most compelling stories. Theory 1: Integration with native tribes. One popular theory suggests that the settlers assimilated with nearby Native American tribes. The Croatoan tribe, which gave its name to the clue, was a predominant group in the area. Perhaps the settlers sought refuge with them. Some historical accounts suggest that the settlers lived among the Croatoan and other tribes for years before their ultimate fate became uncertain. Could the settlers have integrated into native society, leaving behind their European identity? Theory 2: A violent encounter. Another theory persists that the settlers faced a violent encounter with hostile tribes or even other European explorers. The early colonists had a rocky relationship with the local tribes, and conflicts could have led to their ultimate demise. Reports of skirmishes and tension between the settlers and natives could suggest the colonists met a tragic end due to such violence. Theory 3: A failed attempt at relocation. It's also possible that the settlers attempted to relocate but failed. White's return to Roanoke may have been too late. The colonists could have tried moving to a different area, but without proper supplies or guidance, their new location might have been too inhospitable or hidden for White to find. But what are your takes on these theories? Leave that in the comments below. Over the years, various archaeological expeditions have been conducted in an attempt to uncover the truth about Roanoke. In the 1990s, a significant discovery was made. Artifacts and remains from a possible English settlement were found in the area. These finds suggest that settlers may have moved further inland or mixed with other tribes. However, none of these discoveries provide a definitive answer to this mystery. More recent excavations have unearthed additional clues that could shed light on the colonists' fate. But despite those efforts, a smoking gun remains elusive. Why did these early settlers leave behind such scant evidence? Was it a deliberate attempt to erase their trail, or simply a result of their desperate circumstances? The disappearance of Roanoke Colony has not only fascinated historians, but also captured the imagination of pop culture. From novels and films to TV shows, Roanoke has been featured in countless works of fiction. These portrayals often take creative liberties, blending history with supernatural elements and conspiracy theories. While these interpretations are entertaining, they add layers of myth and speculation to the already enigmatic story. If you're excited about how pop culture has interpreted the Roanoke mystery and want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on those notifications. We're bringing you the best of the unexplained and the intriguing. The legacy of the Roanoke colony extends far beyond its mysterious disappearance. It represents one of the earliest and most perplexing failures of European colonization in America. The lack of resolution has sparked centuries of speculation and inquiry, influencing our understanding of early American history and colonial interactions with indigenous peoples. Ongoing research continues to explore new leads and theories about what might have happened to the settlers. Advances in technology and forensic science could provide new insight into the fate of Roanoke. But until then, the mystery remains tantalizingly unsolved. Okay, I just want to take a minute to acknowledge you once again. That's right, you sitting there watching me, your host, T. Justin S., calling to you from sunny southern Mexico. I know we've talked about this 1,000 times since we started the channel, but if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. Like a couple videos, shoot me a couple comments. We ask you questions throughout all the videos. You have many opportunities to just hit pause, answer a question for me real fast, and we'll keep on moving. Also, flip on that bell for notifications and stay up to date with what we got coming out next. And everybody, please make sure you check out the playlist to see some behind the scenes moments, some intriguing shorts from your host here. And guys, I cannot wait to show you what we have lined up for you in this channel. Like I said, we're in Mexico here, so there's a lot more things in the sky than you might think. We have clear nights all year round, and there are certainly a few things buzzing around the mountains, if you know what I'm talking about. Right now, we're just gaining an audience just like you. Please help us grow and share these with your friends. Anyone that's into the paranormal is going to like these videos. Please. My name is T. Justin S., and thanks again for coming through. Guys, keep your stick on the ice, and remember, if you can't fix it with duct tape, you're not using enough duct tape. To recap, the disappearance of the Roanoke colony remains one of history's greatest mysteries. Whether the settlers integrated with native tribes, met a violent end, or tried to relocate without success, the clues left behind are few and far between. The word Croatoan is a haunting reminder of their plight and a symbol of the many unanswered questions that continue to intrigue historians and mystery enthusiasts alike. We are here to unravel the past. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the unexplained disappearance. From the cryptic clue left behind to the various theories about what might have happened, the mystery of Roanoke continues to captivate and puzzle us. Stay tuned for more episodes as we continue to explore the dark and intriguing corners of history and the paranormal.